Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the battery draining issue in iOS 15.7.9 that release day before. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, let me show you the battery performance. Tap on battery. Here you can see if the iPhone shows on battery health service, then you need to replace your iPhone battery. If there is no service, then do the following step to save the iPhone battery. Number one, we have to go to settings and tap on screen time. Here we have to tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now turn off content and privacy restriction to save the iPhone battery. After that, we have to go back to settings. Here we have to tap and find and tap on privacy. Now under privacy, tap on location services. Now tap on share my location, turn off share my location, go back and turn off location services to save the iPhone battery. But we need to do one more thing. Tap on under privacy, tap on tracking and turn off tracking as well. Now go back to settings. Here we have to find and tap on battery and enable low power mode. Go back and tap on Bluetooth. Turn off Bluetooth if is not connected to your any device. Then go back. If you are not in 5G coverage area, then go back to settings and mobile and cellular data and select 4G instead of 5G. Turn off your mobile and Wi-Fi data if you are not using the internet. What we have to do, go back to settings, tap on notification and turn off the notification for that app that you are getting a lot of messages or notification, cause any notification glow your iPhone screen to take the iPhone battery. Keep in mind one more thing, we need to charge the iPhone always with the original iPhone charger and also the cable. What we have to do, settings, journal and tap on background app refresh and turn off background app refresh if it's turned on. Then go back, transfer reset iPhone, tap reset all settings. Now put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. Don't worry, this process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.